guys, welcome back to Brickstreet's official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to do another unboxing and this time we have a gaming keyboard with us that is from Byte, as you can see, and it is pretty interesting to do a gaming keyboard unboxing. The name of this keyboard is Firefly and the model number is CB-GK-16. So let's begin the unboxing, and also we'll show you the gameplay, how it feels while you are gaming with this keyboard. So let's begin the video. So now let's see how the packaging looks like. So here is the package, the actual box of this keyboard. Basic design, not much attractive. Here are some key features written on the box: RGB light effect, all key anti-ghosting. Here are some key features, that is mechanical key, tactile and reactive. The keys are RGB LEDs in the keyboard, compact design and metal upper. Let's see behind what is written. So now let's see the features of this keyboard. It is compact, portable and RGB backlit. It has Automo switches, which means they are one of the popular mechanical switches a keyboard can have, and it is classified by keystroke, the feel and the sound of the keys. The Byte has two type of keys, that is the blue one and the red one, and this time we have the blue keyboard. And it is also 100% anti-ghosting, which means if you press two keys together, they would be registered correctly. So let's begin the unboxing and see how it looks and how it feels while you are gaming with it. So let's open the box. So here is the keyboard and here is the mechanical. Okay, so this is the user manual, just one page. So here are some, I believe, the combination keys you can see over here. The specification is written, the multimedia key, and it has I would like to say it has 10 key less. So they have given the multimedia combination, that is the volume up, you can change the music or home screen and all shortcuts they have given. Here is the software you need to download and the social links. So let's keep it aside and see the actual keyboard. So here we have the keyboard with us, and it has a USB connection to it. Let's peel the screen off. Okay, so here we have the keyboard. It feels pretty good. Like if you can hear the sound, you can hear the sound. This is what the blue key is about. So, and it is also have 10 key less in this keyboard. If you can see from this camera, here is the 10 key less. So it is more portable and the sound is pretty good. So let's connect it to our laptop and do the gameplay and see how it feels and how it looks while it lights up. So let's begin. So now we have got our laptop here. We'll connect it to the laptop and see. Okay, so the keyboard is lit up now and it has RGB mode in it. Now I'll show you the key, how it looks like. Let me put it up. Okay, so here you can see it is a blue mechanical switch. While you press it, it makes a haptic sound. Let me connect it back and I'll do a sound test for you, okay, how it actually feels while you're typing or while you're playing a game with this keyboard. Just let's do it then. So this is how it sounds while you are gaming. So the sound is pretty good. Like if you are gaming, if you are a game lover or you are a gamer or you are even a streamer, if you would like to game with this keyboard, you will enjoy it definitely. So now we'll do a gameplay and show you okay, how it gives a feedback while we are playing with this keyboard. So now let's begin the gameplay. I'm very excited to play with this keyboard as the lights are on and everything. So our game is starting right now. So we'll play and see, okay, if we can win with this keyboard or not. Okay. I'm not a pro gamer, so if you can give me some gaming tips in the comment section, definitely your comments are appreciated. You can actually hear the sound while I'm pressing different keys. It is pretty exciting. to play with this. While you do with this keyboard, while I'm doing this, you can go to our website, and if you are interested in buying this keyboard, you can definitely buy it from the link given in the description box below. Uh, okay. Anyways, I'm not a pro gamer, so I think I have crashed it multiple times, and now my car is gone way too far, and I don't have an insurance. So with that note, we are winding up this video. While I get my insurance, you get your keyboard definitely from Brickstreet shop, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.